Hey, what's up guys? This is Eric from Blums Auto Mart. I'm down here at the car lot today and have a little paperwork to do, but I'm gonna do this video again. I did it a few years ago and it got taken down from YouTube for some reason, so I'm gonna do it again. It's simply just how to fill out a Florida title. I get a lot of people that ask me for whatever reason they freak out. They don't wanna make a mistake on the title, so I want to show you exactly where to sign, what you have to fill in, and what you have to take to the tag office to be able to get it transferred into your name if you are a private party. I'm a dealer, of course, so I'll show you the first half. As a dealer, we would reassign it to the new customer, but I'll show you the first half of what a private party would do if you were either buying or selling a vehicle. All right, so here we go. I covered up the name of the seller just for their privacy so you can't see, but the VIN number of the vehicle is right here. It's a 22 City, which is a Ventele Beyond, 6-passenger. This is the weight right here. It's a Florida title, red in color. It's considered a low-speed vehicle. The registered owner's name's right here. So this is the person that is either buying or selling the vehicle. You want to make sure that there's no liens recorded here. Otherwise, they can't sell it without having the lien holder sign off on it, which will be right up here. So if you are the buyer of this vehicle, which I am, I'm going to put my name right here. It says seller must enter purchaser's name. So I am the purchaser. I'm going to put Blums Auto Mart right here. I'm going to list my address right here. This is the date that it was sold. I'll put today. You're going to put the miles of the vehicle. On golf carts they're exempt, but on your regular vehicle you do want to make sure that the miles are exact, and then also the date that it was read. The seller has already signed. I just marked off their name here so you can't see it, and then I would be the purchaser, so I would sign and then print right here. So it's pretty simple. Don't freak out, just read through what exactly it's telling you. So again, if I am the purchaser, then I'm going to put my name here, my address, the date that I purchased it. I would put the mileage right here. This is the date that the mileage was read. The seller would sell right here, or sign right here, and then the purchaser, me, I'm going to sign my name and then print my name underneath here. That's it. Pretty easy. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text, 386-481-4545. Okay, so this is what it looks like afterward. I put in the name of the business, Blums Auto Mart, my address here, the date that I purchased it. The miles are exempt on this golf cart. If you have a regular vehicle that is under 10 years old in Florida, you do have to record the mileage unless it's a true mileage unknown vehicle for whatever reason. The date that we recorded the mileage, the seller would sign and print here, and then the purchaser would sign and then print here.